If you're using Osmo, you are going to need an iPad without its case. So you're going to come by the marker board, and where you see the toolbox, you're going to grab an iPad without its case. Then you will also need the Osmo base. So at the red table, the iPad's table, right below, we're going to look for this label that says Osmo base, and you will grab this. So you need the red piece and the white piece. The paper you need will be over by the countertop with all the paints on it. So we either have your drawing paper, which has this nice butterflies on, or there's the project paper, which is a little bit thicker. You can use either one. Over by the sink is where you're going to find the pencils, erasers, and Sharpies. This video is going to show you how to use Osmo Masterpiece. So I have an iPad with the case off and the Osmo base. Then I have the little red piece. The big side goes towards you, so it goes right over the camera. And the big side goes towards you. Then we're gonna click our Osmo Masterpiece app. So that's the one that's like Mona Lisa. And we're gonna click Start Drawing. So we can use whatever's in the system. You can click different things. Or we can also search for our own. So I can search for something I would like to draw. So let's say I want to draw a fish. So I can look up fish, and then I can kind of select which one I want. So the real photos, so if I clicked like Nemo here or a clownfish, it'll be a little bit harder to draw because it's going off the real lines. If you want to make it a little bit easier, we can go back. We can switch this, so it says all images right now. We can switch it to coloring book. And it should be a little bit easier. So now when we click one of these, it should be a little bit easier. It has all the lines for you. You can look up anything you want. I'm gonna pick like an easy one. Then whenever you have it, you are going to then use a piece of paper. I got a piece of paper and I have a pencil. So it's set up right in front. Then I will be looking at the screen and trying to draw at the same time. So I'm looking at the screen with my eyes, and I'm just going to be moving the pencil. So our hand and our eyes are going to be working together to draw. So I'm going to go nice and slow, and I'm looking at the screen the entire time. So make sure you are looking at the screen. It takes a little bit of practice to get used to, and the more practice we have, the better we're going to get. And I will show you what I have so far. All right, so I was looking at the screen the whole time and just moving my hand. This is what I have so far on my paper, and then I just need to keep working to finish it. So the tip is to always be looking at the screen, and it takes a little bit of extra practice to get used to. Once you're done tracing on the Osmo Masterpiece, you are going to need colored pencils or crayons. So at the drawing table, right below in the cabinets is where you're going to find your crayons or colored pencils. So make sure you color it the nicest you can.